Hello viewers, you know that when a liquid evaporates in a closed container, molecules with relatively higher kinetic energy escape from the liquid surface into vapor phase. On the other hand, vapor molecules condense and return into liquid phase. When the rate of evaporation and the rate of condensation become equal, equilibrium is established. Similar type of equilibrium is also attained in some of the chemical processes also. Certain reactions can occur both in the forward and backward directions. Do you think that equilibrium is attained during ionization of a weak acid or a weak base? If yes, then how this ionization should be represented? Can this equilibrium state be shifted? The shift in equilibrium can occur because of addition or removal of an ion already involved in the equilibrium process. Suppose we increase the concentration of the anion A minus in weak acid solution or the cation B plus in the weak base, the equilibrium would shift in the backward direction. The shifting of equilibrium in backward direction in either weak acid or a weak base suppresses ionization. What do you think? Does suppression on ionization affect the pH of a weak acid or a weak base? Due to suppression of ionization, concentration of H plus in a weak acid and concentration of OH minus in a weak base decreases. This results in the change of pH in the solution. Let's observe it by an experiment. Today, we study the variation in pH by common ion effect in the cases of weak acids and weak bases. The materials required are apparatus, beakers, test tube stand, pH chart, universal indicator. The chemicals required are sodium ethanoate, whose common name is sodium acetate, ammonium chloride, ethanoic acid and ammonia solution. Let us take 4 beakers which are already marked as A, B, C and D. Beaker A contains 25 ml of 1 molar ethanoic acid. Beaker B contains 25 ml of 1 molar ammonium hydroxide solution. Beaker C contains 25 ml of ethanoic acid and 2 grams of sodium ethanoate. Beaker D contains 25 ml of ammonium hydroxide solution and 2 grams of ammonium chloride. Now, let us transfer 2 ml of each of the liquids from the beakers A, B, C and D to the test tubes. Test tube 1 contains ethanoic acid, to which we are adding 1 drop of the universal indicator. Test tube 1 contains ethanoic acid. Now, let us match the color with the pH chart. The color in the test tube is red, which matches with the pH value of 4 in the pH chart. To test tube number 3, we are adding 2 ml of ethanoic acid and sodium ethanoate solution. To this, we add a drop of the universal indicator and mix the contents thoroughly. The color that has come, we match it with the universal indicator. The solution is yellow, which matches with the pH value of 6. To test tube number 2, we add ammonium hydroxide solution. To this, 1 drop of universal indicator is added and we shake the test tube thoroughly to mix the contents, and we can see that the color of the solution now is purple. We match it with the pH chart and the pH corresponds to a value of 10. To test tube number 4, we add ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride solution. To this, we add 1 drop of universal indicator. We mix the contents of the test tube thoroughly. The color of the liquid is now green and we match it with the color on the pH chart. The pH corresponds to a value of 7.5. Now, we will compare the pH of the solutions of test tubes 1 and 3 and we will record the pH change. Similarly, we will compare the pH of the solutions in test tubes 2 and 4 and record the pH change. Finally, we will record all the observations in a table. The table will have columns as follows. First column, serial number of the test tube. Second column, contents of the test tube. Third column, color of the solution after adding the universal indicator. Fourth column, the pH of the solution. Serial number 1. Test tube number 1 contains acetic acid or ethanoic acid. The color of the solution after adding universal indicator is red and the pH value is 4. Test tube number 2 contains ammonium hydroxide solution. The color of the solution after adding universal indicator is deep purple with a pH value of 10. The third test tube contains acetic acid or ethanoic acid and sodium ethanoate. The color of the solution after adding universal indicator is yellow and the corresponding pH is 6. The fourth test tube contains ammonium hydroxide solution with ammonium chloride. The color of the solution after adding universal indicator is green and the pH value is 7.5. Now, let us discuss the results. The pH of ethanoic acid is 4. The pH of ammonium hydroxide solution is 10. The pH of sodium ethanoate and ethanoic acid solution is 6. The pH of ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride solution is 7.5. Recapitulation. So, what have you observed today? You have observed that pH of solution 3 is more than solution 1. What does this mean? It suggests that the acidity, that is the number of H plus ions of ethanoic acid solution, decreases on adding sodium ethanoate. We can also say that sodium ethanoate suppresses the ionization of ethanoic acid. This is due to the common ion effect. Acetate ions received from ionization of sodium ethanoate react with the H plus of ethanoic acid, which results in the shifting of the equilibrium of ethanoic acid towards the backward direction. This leads to the regeneration of ethanoic acid molecule. Thus, concentration of H+ ion decreases in the solution. Similarly, decrease in the pH of ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride solution from ammonium hydroxide solution only can be explained. Precautions and sources of error in this experiment. Try only weak acid or weak base and its salt for the study of the common ion effect. Handle the bottle of ammonium hydroxide with care. Exercises. Question number 1. How do buffer solutions resist change in the pH? Explain with the help of a suitable example. Question number 2. Why only weak acid or weak base and their salts are used for the study of common ion effect? So, today we have seen an experiment which shows the effect of common ion on the ionization and the pH of a weak acid and a weak base.